Hi everyone, how's it going? This is immigration attorney Moumita Rahman, and I'm here to help you navigate through this complex world of immigration. Today I'm going to talk about how long do you still have to wait for your immigrant visa interview or for any immigration-related interview for that matter. This is a frequently asked question that I get asked all the time, as do many immigration attorneys, because everyone has been waiting almost forever for their turn to get a green card or a visa, and people are growing anxious. But before I go any further, I am an immigration attorney based in New York, and I serve clients in all 50 states as well as their families all across the world. So if you have an immigration-related matter or question, please contact my office at 212-248-7907 so that you can schedule a consultation with me to get the individual attention that your case needs. And also, if you enjoy watching me here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I put out a new video. And trust me, you don't want to miss any updates because things are rapidly changing in immigration. So without further delay, how long do you have to wait for your immigrant visa interview? Well, we have had a shutdown of the consulates for the past few months because of the COVID-19 pandemic, and consulates were only accepting interviews on an emergency basis. Many persons who were already scheduled for an immigrant visa interview unfortunately did have those interviews postponed, but I'm very, very happy to say that many persons have seen that their interviews are currently being rescheduled. This is because some consulates, not every consulate, but some have resumed holding immigrant visa interviews. But I must say that consulates are definitely prioritizing scheduling persons who already had an interview that was postponed. Until they get through these reschedules, I do not expect consulates to start scheduling persons for their interview. But what does it mean for those of us who are still waiting for our interview to be scheduled? How much longer can you expect to wait? Well, friends, I'm sorry to say that this is a question that no immigration attorney can ever answer for you. You simply must wait until you get that interview notice from the consulate or from NBC. The reason why no immigration attorney can tell you what's going to happen is because, number one, we are in an unprecedented pandemic time. Many things have been shut down, and we do not know yet how long it will take for things to resume to normal. But even then, even if things were normal, there are so many factors that go into effect when waiting for an interview to be scheduled. Whether you are waiting for an immigration interview here in the US through USCIS, for your asylum interview, or for an immigrant visa interview overseas, when you get scheduled for an interview will always depend first on the location where your interview is to be held. Many places are more busy than others, which means that you normally have to wait a little bit longer for your turn. Next, there may be other factors such as background checks or other scheduling factors that are dictated by internal office policies that we do not know about. This is why anytime you ask an immigration attorney, how long will it take until I get my interview, or how long will it take until I'm rescheduled, it is like asking us to look into a crystal ball. I wish I could tell. I wish I knew the answer for all of my clients, but unfortunately, just like millions of other persons waiting for an immigration benefit, we are at the whim and mercy of the US government, and we must wait for them to schedule us when it is appropriate for them to do so. So with that, I hope you found my video helpful. I know it may not be the best news because nobody likes to wait, but unfortunately, this is the reality of our times. So I hope you will have some patience, and I hope to see you next week. Take care. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For proper legal advice on your case, please call us to set up a consultation.